do have the trunk popped here, so ignore that. Just different lighting to see that paint. Really sweet. Looking back here, overall in great condition. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 62,233 miles on the odometer. Now if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. It's a non-smoker. Got the factory frozen white paint. Absolutely gorgeous. No PPF on the car anywhere, protecting it though. Red interior. So far she drives really nice. Steering's perfectly straight. Alignment is solid. Sounds really good. Shifts nice and smooth. Brakes feel solid. Cabin is really quiet. Pretty short drive, but no complaints with drivability. Like I said, brakes feel good, shifts nice and smooth, steering's perfectly straight, kind of checks off all the boxes. Seats are super comfy. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this is paint. It's not PPF, it's not a vinyl wrap. It is a factory, like frozen paint. Looks absolutely gorgeous. You have a little chip there. You're gonna have a few flaws here and there, but otherwise that fender looks pretty good. Looking at this wheel. A few chips, little rock chips. Got the Continentals. Extreme contacts, date code 2025. Got the carbon on the mirror. Now it has yellowed. You're gonna see it here on the edges. Overall still looks good. A-pillar, nice and clean. A couple rock chips here on that gloss black part. Upper side looks good. A few little markings, a few little scuffs. It's all very subtle though. Looks good. I see some light markings here, maybe some stains from fuel. Here on this wheel, a couple chips, a few small imperfections. Tire size 295 30/20s, and date code is 2022. Then looking at the front end, the grille surround has definitely yellowed, and you're going to see a lot of flaws in the clear and some chips. Looking at the front, typical little rock impacts and chips. A little touch-up spot here. Got some chips right there. Upper side looks good. Couple chips there. The rest of that looks nice. Headlights, there's a little scratch there, typical rock impacts. Clarity though, looks really nice. Little chips throughout the edge, so if you get close, you're gonna see it like that. Just kind of all throughout that front. They're just peppered all throughout. Overall, that headlight looks good. You can see it's chipped in here as well. Underside, you do have some rash. See the rash there. Kind of looking at it, looks kind of crinkled up there. Maybe this kind of buckled on something. It's very subtle. This looks good. Fender overall nice and clean. 255/35/20. Date code 2025 matches the other side. Now this looks like it's almost popping off. You can see that. Looking at this, really clean. A-pillar looks good. You do have a lot of flaws on this finish here. I don't know what that is, kind of delamination. And you'll see it on the trim here too, some stains and imperfections. And then looking at the roof here, you can see that's faded really bad. Now, I believe it's just a vinyl wrap. Yeah, it's just a wrap, but it's been on there a long time. I'm sure it's gonna be very tough to get off. Quarter looks good. Day code on the tire 2022. The rest of that wheel is in great condition. If you look at the edge of this carbon, the clear coat is failing pretty bad. Has yellowed over the years. You can see a lot of wavy texture in it. Looking at that taillight, looks good. And then here on the back bumper, kind of like the front, you're going to see just lots of scratches and chips and wear and fading across that edge. That looks good though. Love that paint. And you can tell that back bumper's yellowed just a little bit compared to that quarter. You can see the difference. It's pretty subtle though. Alright, checking out the interior. Got the dark red. Looks really good. Upper section, all of that solid. Buttons are nice and clean. You do have a gash right there. Overall, that looks good. That trim looks good. Jam's nice and clean. Overall, the carpet's in great condition. Typical wrinkles on that bolster, just from over the years. A couple little light scratches. You can see this is kind of a matte finish, and down here is all glossy from over the years and the oils. Same with the steering wheel. It's very glossy and shiny. It doesn't have that matte look anymore. The stitching, you're gonna see the wear in there, the discoloration. Those gauges look good. Here's another view of the dash. You can see it's wrinkling and separating all from the top side, and I'll show you that view from the windshield if you haven't seen that. Those buttons look good. Nice and clean. That works perfect. That's in great condition. Overall, that looks nice. This was a blue, and you can see it's kind of dingy and dirty from over the years. It doesn't have that bright blue anymore, but it does up here a little. And then you have green down here. We are getting a new battery. We had to order some more for the key fob. There's your cold start. Idles down pretty quick. And then here's a good view of the dash, the separation. So let's see all of that. It's lifting and peeling back. You can see that kind of buckled. On this door panel, you do have a little gash right there. Upper side though looks good. That looks nice. The rest of that door panel's in great condition. That trim looks good. That looks nice. You have some scratches right there on that edge. Little scratches just kind of on the seat bottom. That looks good though. A couple stains on the seat belt. This side of the console. Typical wear. It's very subtle. It looks good. And of course here on the upper side of the dash, you have some sun damage, some separation. The leather's lifting a little bit. Overall, that side looks good. Looks really nice there. Here on the back right door panel, that looks good. You got the shades. Trim's nice and clean. A couple little scratches on the seat. Otherwise, that looks good. Got the heated seats. Climate control access there. Here on that back left door panel, that looks good. Trim's nice and clean. A couple little markings on the seat, but for the most part in great condition. All right, we're going to scan through the engine bay. There's your individual color there, frozen brilliant white, absolutely gorgeous. All the plastics look good.